it is always about people first. So people first, as in my organization, the people in my organization, the vendors, the clients that we work with.
Honesty and integrity are the core values that we follow. No wrong communication is done, no wrong commitments are done, no wrong products are suggested, no wrong products are given. So whatever we say, whatever we quote, we will give that only.
So it's always the people first approach that I always take whenever I am leading something or when I am involved into something. So that's because the people around you make it worth it.
If we are not able to give that, we will be communicating with that particular client. Okay, this solution we cannot offer. Whether the product is not available or the product is not sustainable with them. Like different vendors suggest just for sake of suggesting कि ये चल जाएगा, but we don't give anything that is चल जाएगा वाला thing. So the product carries a good warranty guarantee with a budget that suits the client's pockets. We suggest that, and we have followed this since the inception, and we will continue doing so. So there is no compromise in honesty and integrity when it comes to Vishwash glasses.